Flashlight play is a simple yet fascinating activity for babies that can significantly enhance their visual tracking skills and focus. In a dimly lit environment, the gentle movement of a flashlight beam captures their attention and encourages them to follow the light, supporting their visual development and cognitive skills. This engaging activity not only aids in sensory exploration but also introduces concepts of cause and effect. Let's explore how to safely incorporate flashlight play into your interactive playtime. Activity: flashlight play. Preparation: choose a safe, comfortable room where you can control the lighting. Ensure the room is dimly lit but not completely dark to keep it safe and comfortable for both you and your baby. Have a flashlight with a soft, not too bright beam ready for use. Guidelines for play: gentle movements. Hold your baby in your lap or lay them down comfortably. Turn on the flashlight and gently move the beam across the room, on the ceiling, or near your baby, but not directly in their eyes. Engagement: talk to your baby about what you're doing, saying things like, "Can you see the light moving?" This narration helps build language skills alongside visual tracking. Interactive tracking: encourage your baby to follow the light with their eyes. You might notice them trying to reach for the light or turning their head to follow the beam, which are great signs of engagement and development. Exploration time: allow your baby to briefly explore the flashlight under your supervision, making sure they don't put it in their mouth or shine it in their own eyes. Benefits: enhanced visual tracking helps improve your baby's ability to follow moving objects with their eyes, a key developmental skill. Increased focus: concentrating on the moving light can enhance your baby's focus and attention span. Stimulation of curiosity: the moving light sparks curiosity and encourages babies to explore their environment visually. Bonding time: this activity provides a unique opportunity for you and your baby to bond and interact in a calm, engaging setting. Safety tips: use a flashlight with a soft, warm light to avoid harshness on your baby's sensitive eyes. Never shine the light directly into your baby's eyes to prevent discomfort or damage. Keep the play sessions brief to avoid overstimulation. Illuminate your baby's world with the simple joy of flashlight play and watch as their visual and cognitive abilities grow. For more engaging and developmental activities, visit www.parentinggenie.com.au. Dive into our resources designed to support your journey through the early stages of parenthood, lighting the way to a bright future for you and your baby.